Finally, NEET admit card release. The exam is on 3rd May and the admit card release on Sunday 26th April. Now how to uh, download the admit card? How to see the admit card? Go to the website neet.enta.nic.in neet.enta.nic.in. There is a home page. On the home page there is a section, candidate activity section. Go to that section. There is a link is provided. Click on that link and fill the information such as your date of birth, your roll number, and then you can get the admit card. Take a printed copy, 3 or 4 copy of the admit card. It is an essential document you must require at your exam center. Carry the admit card at your exam center. So share this simple but very important exam information about the NEET. That is, admit card are released and you must take the admit card copy to the exam center. Share, and if you like, subscribe. Much share. Thanks.